For lesson 9.8, we are telling time to the hour and half hour, and this is when we start adding in the minute hand. So our vocabulary words for today are minutes and minute hand. And the question we're trying to answer is, how are the minute hand and hour hand different for time to the hour and time to the half hour? So we can see that on number 1, if it is to the hour hand is exactly on the 8. The minute hand is all the way up at the 12. So we would write that as 8 o'clock. If our minute hand is down at the 6 and our hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2, this is on problem number 2, we would say it is 1:30 or 1:30. They can say in both ways. They're wanting to write them on a digital clock though with the numbers. So do the same thing on number 3 through 6. At the bottom, story problem. Lou walks her dog at 7 o'clock. Bill walks his dog 30 minutes later. Draw to show what time Bill walks his dog. So we know 7 o'clock, add 30 minutes would put us at 7:30. Make sure your child knows the difference between the hour hand and the minute. The hour hand is shorter than the minute hand. So we would draw the hour hand at the 7 and the minute hand at the 6 to show 7:30. On the back side of the homework, the first two problems are giving you a 1/2 and an o'clock right on the hour. And the spiral review, number 3 is back from chapter 8, solving double digit. In first grade, in our class, we take that problem and we stack it. That's where we put them on top of each other. That way we can line up the ones and line up the tens to make it a little bit easier to solve. And number 4, after solving the problem, this is a regrouping. They would be able to find 7 plus 5 is 12. They know that they can't have more than 9 in the ones. So you would keep the ones, which is 2. You're regrouping 10. Add your 1, and we get 92. So your answer would be 9 tens and 2 ones. One thing to emphasize that the students forget to do is adding this extra 1 over here. They have to have that to show the regrouping.